Good day class, welcome in your English online class. Students, today we are going to do exercise number 2.6 of chapter 2, the sentences. Part A we have done, now it's turn to go for the part B. So here we are with part B. In this part, write exclamations from the sentences below. Now the statements are given and we have to convert these statements in our exclamation sentences. The first is, the water is very dirty. The water is very dirty. पानी बहुत गंदा है. Now if we have to convert it into exclamation, what do? We will add up the word how. In the previous exercise, what we did? We converted the exclamation into the assertive form, and here exclamation we have to convert the assertive form into exclamation. Now how dirty the water is. So how dirty, कितना गंदा, how dirty the water is. Now you will add up sign of exclamation at the last. कितना गंदा पानी है, how dirty the water is. यहाँ पर है the water is very dirty, पानी बहुत गंदा है. Now you have changed the formation of the structure of the sentence here. How dirty the water is, कितना गंदा पानी है. The tone of the sentence is completely changed. Those are very fashionable clothes. वो कपड़े बहुत fashionable हैं. So now you will add up how fashionable are, because clothes are given, how fashionable are those clothes. And don't forget to add up the sign of exclamation at the last, because you have converted it into exclamatory sentence. At the third place we are having, it's a very high mountain. It's a very high mountain. यह एक बहुत ऊंचा पहाड़ है. So in order to convert it into exclamation, what a high mountain it is, sign of exclamation will be added. कि कितना ऊंचा पहाड़ है, what a high mountain it is. So you will add up the sign of exclamation at the last. Next is, he speaks very fast. He speaks very fast. वो बहुत तेज़ बोलती है. Here you are sharing an information, and in order to convert it into exclamation, how fast he speaks. How fast he speaks, sign of exclamation will be added. वो कितना तेज़ बोलती है, how fast he speaks. It means you are presenting your feeling, your sudden reaction. He is a very unreliable person. वो एक बहुत ही अविश्वसनीय इंसान है. अविश्वसनीय means on whom you can't linger on, you can't trust. So in order to convert it into exclamation, how unreliable person. Now add up he is. How unreliable person he is, sign of exclamation will be added at the last. At number 6 we are having, it's a very easy exercise. It's a very easy exercise. यह बहुत आसान exercise है. Now watch it carefully. What के बाद आप add करेंगे and, because easy you have to add, and before e is a vowel, so before vowel article, which article will be added? An. What an easy exercise it is, sign of exclamation. What an easy exercise it is. At number 7, it's a horrible film. कितनी भयानक फिल्म है. It's a horrible film. So how horrible the film is. यह फिल्म कितनी भयानक है. My God, you are expressing your sudden feeling, your reaction towards the film. How horrible the film is. कितनी भयानक फिल्म है. Now sign of exclamation will be added at the last. You snore very noisily. Snore means खराटे लेना. You snore very noisily. आप बहुत आवाज़ करते हैं, आप बहुत तेज़ी से खराटे लेते हैं, बहुत आवाज़ प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. How noisily you snore. How noisily you snore. And sign of exclamation will be added at the last. We have awful weather. बहुत भयानक, awful होता है मीन्स बहुत भयानक, हॉरिबल, टेरिबल जिसके लिए आप यू वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत ही भयानक वेदर है, मतलब वेदर इज़ वेरी वेरी बैड. What an, अब now you will add up the article, what an awful weather have we. Sign of exclamation will be added at the last. It's a very simple system. Now how simple the system is. Sign of exclamation will be added at last. How simple the system is. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल सिस्टम. बहुत ही कहते हैं सिस्टम जो है बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत ही आसान है. हाउ सिंपल द सिस्टम इज़. कितना सिंपल सिस्टम है. हाउ सिंपल द सिस्टम इज़. साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लामेशन. ही इज़ स्लो. वो बहुत धीमा है. हाउ स्लो ही इज़. हाउ स्लो ही इज़. साइन ऑफ exclamation will be added. You are seeing that helping verbs are coming at the last. Next is we are tired. हम बहुत थके हुए हैं. How tired we are. How tired we are. So you will add up in order to make it exclamatory. How tired. You won't change the tense. How tired we. Now the subject will be added. We are. After that helping verb will be added. Sign of exclamation. They behave dreadfully. How dreadfully they behave. Sign of exclamation. It's very cold. आज बहुत सर्दी है. It's very cold. How cold it is. How cold it is. It's very cold. यह बहुत कहता है यह बहुत ठंडी है. It's very cold. How cold. You will write up the word how cold it. After that helping verb is. Sign of exclamation will be added. I hope class that this exercise is quite clear to you. It requires a little bit practice. So I recommend you to have a good practice of this exercise. And thanks for watching the video. Keep on learning, keep on gaining. Thank you class. Good.